Welcome to Ma Chefin'. I'm Chef Fran, and this is my sous chef Ian. Today we're gonna make some omelets for you, and I'm also gonna show you what really makes a tasty omelet is when you have clarified butter. And this is what clarified butter looks like. I've already done one. So you can do two things. You can buy clarified butter yourself, which is a little costly, or you can make it yourself. Now it's a little time consuming, but it's well worth it. You'll save some money. So now I'm going to show you how to clarify your butter. It's just regular butter. And so you want to get it to be completely melted. And what we're gonna do is remove the milk solids, the whey, from it. So as it melts, and you wanna make sure you're on low heat so you don't burn your butter and it doesn't become brown butter. You want it to be clear butter in its purest form. So you have to watch it. This is the only thing. Like I said, clarified butter is a lot more expensive and less work. Work is already done and provided for you. Here you can have the same effect. You just take your butter, and as it's melting, you want to start to remove your whey, which are these milk solids here. The goal is to try to get the butter in its purest form, as clear as possible. This omelet, you actually really can do it the day you're going to work if you're really busy, because all you can do is pre-cut your vegetables and actually cook them the night before and just put them in the refrigerator. Or you can make a whole bunch and have it for the week. And then you just put your eggs in the morning with all your vegetables already done, your hash brown, your tater tots, whichever potato that you want to use.
What's the difference between clarified butter and regular butter?
Well, the difference is that with clarified butter, it's butter in its purest stage, in its purest form. So that's when you'll see that it looks more clear, like this.
Yeah.
And all these white whey and solid milk solids have to come out, and some of the water that's in it as well. So what helps if you have, for example, if you, not sponsored by Kerrygold, but if you use like a Kerrygold butter, you know, it's a much more quality butter, and so it'll take you a lot less time to do this. So there's no reason that someone can't have a great omelet to enjoy. So this is your butter in its purest state. And this is your butter that had the whey and that had the milk solids. So this butter tastes a lot better when you're making your omelet.